Sulaiha Subi. You can call me Su. I am a data scientist. Basically, I'm a remote data scientist for over 5 years experience in a diverse industry, starting from oil and gas, marketing. I apply data science in marketing, sustainability, and current right now is healthcare. The value of having an event like this is a very good start for those who are wanted to accelerate the career, especially building their data science portfolio. Okay, the first thing, the one that I always advise to the people who are wanted to accelerate the career is by having a very good portfolio. But how we wanted to have a very good portfolio is by having a project. But how we want to get the project is by having a hackathon event. So by having a very participation in hackathon event, it give you diversity, exposure into the real world project, and also giving you a chances to have a networking and broaden your visibility. This kind of event, since I'm fly from Malaysia, Kuala Lumpur to here, I see this kind of event is a very good things to have a networking session with the high expert or industry voice like we are having the session just now. So this kind like giving an exposure to better know what is the current AI trend in the industry itself, how you want to position yourself to be up to date, not outdated. I think like it also giving a very good knowledge and understanding about the current AI technology. Having a female speaker today, part of the event, this is a very big step and a very good approach basically because in the industry itself, we can see a gender gap between female and male leaders. Okay, when we started to climbing the higher leaders, the amount of female leaders is become reduced. So by having a very good session with a female leaders, it's giving an exposure and understanding how the female itself could affect the industry itself. To those who didn't come yet for the event like this, I do encourage you guys to have a try and have a real world problem hackathon, which is the event of hackathon networking, because this kind of events is really help in terms of your visibility, okay, and your portfolio. So to those who are never experienced this kind of activities or events, should try once in their life. Okay, believe me, because after this, when you polish your LinkedIn profile or Instagram or any social media, it's giving you another one more step to accelerate further in terms of your career. Okay, yes, even I'm already 5 years experience, over 5 year experience is my position data scientist. I would really recommend myself, encourage myself to join hackathon, no matter it's on-site or remote, because this kind of thing is very good and it's giving you an experience to mix with a multinational peoples, different knowledge and different backgrounds. So for me, this is a very good kickstart to polish more and positioning yourself in the current state of AI.